Hi guys, and welcome to the Commission Evolution Review. What this is basically a web-based page builder, website builder, and it's really good as a builder. It has its, in my opinion, it has its flaws, but I will cover them all right now. This is a pro account, and here we are at the main dashboard. This is a test page that I have already made. Once you make a page, you can either pause it, you can view it, edit it, of course. You can download the page as a PHP file. You can reset the status. That means that you reset the status of how many clicks it received, the conversions, and so on. You can duplicate it and, of course, delete it. So let's go to the builder itself. Let's add a page here. So here you add the page name. Let's call it review test. You can put your affiliate link over here, and this is the redirect URL if page is paused. If it's paused in the dashboard that I just showed you. This is where you can connect your autoresponder, and this is, in my opinion, something that could be better. There's only 4 autoresponders included: mailchimp, aweber, getresponse, and constant contact, and there is no HTML integration for the sign-up forms. So this is obviously something that could be better. These are the SEO features where you enter your page title, Facebook text, meta description, SEO keywords, which is cool, and the bonus delivery page. This is after they click to go on the next step, and they will receive this page. This is where you can edit your thank you page. But for now, let's just go to the builder itself. So this is a drag and drop, so it's really cool. These elements are very nicely done. As you can see, just grab them and drop them here. Then you can edit them. The editing is not just by you can just click here. You have to select the content over here, and then you select for example the text, and you edit it, the blocks, and the style. So this is, when you change this, you can see which is for what. So I don't know, let's go into intro. As you can see, these are really nice templates over here. Very nice. So I don't know, let's just drag and drop this one over here. Really cool. You can even see this is a moving background, which is like really cool. And just to mention, if you have page vault, this over here, let me just log in here. It's a very similar, I think, if not the same builder as page vault, which is from, I think, Martin Crumblish. Let's just go for a second over here just to show you, because you can see it's very similar. See this here, source, reset, remove. It's the same as here, source, reset, remove, and you can have these blocks, content, and style, same as here. When you select the blocks, content, and details or style, it works the same way, and you have blocks here, headers that you drag and drop. So I think this is like from the same developer. So just mentioning that. So okay, continuing with the Commission Evolution. You have very cool templates here for the elements. You have you can select all blocks. You're gonna go through them a little bit. Beautiful designs. So this part I really like. This is really awesome. You have bonus blocks, so it's really easy to just drag and drop it here. If you are creating your affiliate bonus pages, so it's easily to edit this. If you want to change the images here, just go to style here, click here, and then you can upload your own image and click apply changes, and that's that. One thing I don't like here is that you can't click here and drag and resize the image like you could, for instance, in Captify or Instabuilder. you have to go here and manually insert the size in pixels. Okay, you can select the border style and so on. So I'm just gonna go back to all blocks just so you can see some more templates over here. You can create beautiful pages with these elements, and you can of course then save that page to create your own template, and just call it affiliate bonus template, and then you can duplicate it from the dashboard and create different bonus pages for different products that you are promoting. The settings here takes you back to SEO features page, settings and delivery bonus page. Okay, let's save and preview changes here. So it will give you a preview of the page that you just created. I'm just randomly clicked on the elements, so we got what we got. But let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so how do you publish your site? You go here on Make Site Live, and you have here, you can download your WordPress plugin, and you have unique activation code for activating that plugin. And you enter your site URL here for integration. And I have already done so on my own blog. So here we are at my blog. This is the Commission Evolution plugin, and just enter your key here, and that's it. You're good to go. Then you go to add new link. I'm not sure why this is at the moment not working for me, but you have three options. When you want to publish your page, you can either use this WordPress plugin. You can download it as an PHP file, and then upload it via your FileZilla or FTP or some other FTP software. Or you can do it by uploading that PHP file in your cPanel, and you do that by going to your cPanel, public HTML. Then you find the page you want to upload it to. You go to the WordPress content. I'm sorry, not the WordPress content. Just go to your site, your website, and you just upload. Go here and you upload your PHP file. You can drag and drop it here, or just select it, and after that it will have one over here, and this will show on your website. And this is the only way that I can find to actually show it on your own domain. So this is my this is what I created for these test purposes, and this is actually on my domain. It is as an extension of my domain, meaning it's www.mydomain.com, then / and then this Commission Evolution test file that I have created, that you can see over here. So that's the only way that I found that you can be that you can put these web pages, sales pages, or squeeze pages on your own domain. When you go to Make Site Live, when you go to the dashboard, and then you go to download the page, it will pop this window up, and you can either here download it as PHP, or you can use their own URL to show your page, but it will have their domain. It will look like this: app.commissionevolution.net, and then some random numbers and images, and this is where your page would appear. So if you copy and paste this, you will get your web page live. So this is not really an option for me to show the Commission Evolution domain every time. You could do it with your FileZilla or with your cPanel. So I wish there was a easier way to upload your pages on your own domain with this. The WordPress plugin is that doesn't seem to be working at the moment. I don't know why, but I have looked at the demo video, and even there, when they're uploaded via the WordPress plugin, it still redirects to the domain app.commissionevolution.net. So I really wish they changed this. Here we have integration with autoresponders, and as I said, there are only 4, so I wish they would add more, and the HTML integration. You have your bonuses here. I think these are really cool. Actually, this is the retargeting masterclass from Mario. You have Frank Kern becoming the authority and live presentation, taking action, crushing your projects and goals today, which is of course Mario Brown also. So that's pretty much for this review. It's a great page builder. I wish they had more autoresponder integrations as well as HTML code and an easier way to upload the pages that you created on your own domain. That's it for this review, and I'll see